Go on, goats. Go on, goats. Come on. Go on, goats. Hey everybody, it's Wvgunsngoats out here on the range again with another shotgun video, this time the 12.5-inch 870 SBS Police Wingmaster. Alright, so check it out. This 870's got classic police wood furniture, blued steel. We've got the Mesa Tactical 6-round side saddle, and we've got the TruGlo orange and green fiber optic front sight on there, as well as the Scattergun Technologies front hand stop / sling mount. So let's go ahead, load first round. Boom, in, turn her upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 plus 1 in the tubes. If you like it, give me a like, a subscribe, or leave a comment below. All right, well, let's do some more shooting with the 870 SBS. All right, guys, so I've had this shotgun about 10 to 15 years now, and it's been an SBS for about 5 of those. I would say whenever the E-Form 1 first came up for filing SBSs and SBRs, I jumped on there, paid my tax stamp, cut it down, sent them fingerprints and photographs. If you guys have any questions about the NFA process, go ahead and ask below. I'll try to help you out the best I can. If not, I can point you towards a resource that can. Why somebody would want an SBS? Well, first off, it is so maneuverable, just easy to point. I don't know how well it would do out on the trap range because there's no choke in this. However, to cross the room distances, the thing is unmatched for firepower. So next, it looks cool. I mean, come on, you guys see it. It looks awesome, doesn't it? Short-barreled shotguns are great for room clearing, so we're going to move a little bit closer to the target here. I'm about, say, 7 yards, 5 to 7 yards from that target up there. So let's see what we can do to it. The spread kind of messed up our target holder there. So look at that, guys, all body hits. I'd say it, about 5 yards. You're gonna put all that lead on target. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 1 straggler out here. That was a miss. However, the majorities, you can see they'd be right body hits. Ooh, you guys want to see this gallon of water disappear? Whoa! We're gonna shoot this next one in slow-mo so you guys can see the damage that's gonna get done. Ooh, it's raining. Ooh, that was a thick boy. You can see, hit it head on. Some people think these SBSs kick harder. They do not. Actually, this one kicks a lot lighter than a full-length 12 gauge. All right, we got 2 steel plates down range. Let's load from the side saddle here, and then we'll shoot them plates. Hey guys, that was the video on the 12.5-inch 870 SBS. I really appreciate you joining me for that tonight. I appreciate you guys watching some of my old videos, comments, subscribes, all those. And if you liked what you see, I've got a lot more videos planned as spring, well, attempts to get here. It's supposed to snow tomorrow actually, but I'm sure it'll be warming up after that and we can make some more videos for y'all out there. Guys, remember, if you're not out there having fun shooting, what are you doing?